Hi there, it's Mrs. Hatfield here to give you a holiday puzzle with addition and subtraction. So the puzzle works like this. You basically will have a page that looks like this. There's symbols here. These are called Star of David in honor of Hanukkah, and these are just holiday wreaths. So the way this works is you need to figure out what number does the shape represent, or does this picture represent. I've already done the first page for you. So the first page, I looked at the presents and I was like, all right, something plus something plus something. So I kind of thought about this a little bit. I'm like, what plus what equals 21? And I thought, since there's 3 boxes here, or 3 presents, each present must be worth 7 because 7 times 3 is 21. That's kind of where my brain was on that. The second one, I look here and I've got holiday lights plus present plus holiday lights equals 27. Well, I know present now is 7, so I have to figure out what is holiday lights. Well, holiday lights look like that they would be 10, because 10 plus 7 would equal 27. The next one was a little bit trickier for me. I had to think of snowflake plus snowflake minus Christmas lights equals 6. So I kind of did some puzzling. I'm thinking, okay, something plus something would equal 6. Eventually, after I kind of drew some pictures and thought about my math facts, I thought of like 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 wouldn't work because that would be 6. Let me show you how that would look. So I thought about my number line, my answer being 6. That's what I want to end at. And that I know that the Christmas lights, or the Christmas lights are worth 10. So I thought, okay, if I know that Christmas lights are worth 10, and I know my answer is 6, I counted up to see, let's see, what plus what plus what. So I was like, okay, let's think here. If I end at 6, and I know that this is worth 10, I just kind of thought of my math facts. I was like, well, 5 plus 5, okay, that doesn't work. That would equal 10. So that didn't work. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So it got to be the same. So that didn't work. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 minus 10 isn't 6. And then I came across 8 plus 8 to be equal to 16. So I figured out that just using my strategies here, that I knew that Christmas lights were worth 10, and I just figured 8 plus 8 equals 16, then 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. And then the very last one, now that you know the number, what is equal to, each number, or each shape is equal to what number, the last one would be present plus snowflake, which is a little hard to see, plus Christmas lights equals what? Well, that would equal, and you can, I'll make a text box here, 17 plus 8 more would be what? And I can put in that that question mark would be equal to 5. And that would be my answer for that. So on the next page for the puzzle here, I'll have the shapes for you and the equal sign along the side so that you can write what each one is worth. So this will be due by Thursday, kind of a fun activity for you to do for the week. Thanks for watching, and have fun doing this.